This video is all about exponential equation in which we're asked to find the value of x. Now let's proceed to solve this particular problem. Now we are given 9 to the power x minus 6 to the power x is equal to 4 to the power x. Now moving this 4 to this other side, you have 9 to the power x minus 6 to the power x minus 4 to the power x equal to 0. Now dividing all through by 4 to the power x, you have 4 to the power x, 9 to the power x divided by 4 to the power x, 6 to the power x divided by 4 to the power x, and 4 to the power x divided by 4 to the power x. So this will cancel out. You have 1. Now you have minus, you have 6 all over 4. You have 4, okay, 6 to the power x, 4 to the power x minus, you have 9 to the power x all over 4 to the power x. The whole of this is equal to 0. Now, according to the law of indices, if you have a, let's say a to the power m divided by a divided by b to the power m, this is the same thing as saying a divided by b all to the power m. It's the same. So that is what we're going to do to this expression here. Now you have, so that we're going to change this to this form now. So we have 9 all over 4 all to the power x minus 6 all over 4 all to the power x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now that means here now there's something that you can divide 6 and 4. 2 divide this, you have 3. 2 divide this, you have 2. So now you have 9 over 4 all to the power x minus 3 all over 2 all to the power x minus 1 equal to 0. Now the 9 can also be written in this form, 3 to the power 2 divided by 4 can be written in this form, 2 to the power 2 all to the power x minus 3 all over 2 all to the power x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now 3 to the power 2, 2 to the power 2, the powers are the same, the exponentials are the same, so we're going to apply this rule again. So that means the whole of this inside will be 3 all over 2 all to the power 2, and then all to the power x minus 3 all over 2 all to the power x minus 1 equal to what? 0. So we have 3 all over 2 all to the power 2 all to the power x minus 3 over 2 all to the power x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now, according to the law of indices, if you have a, let's say you have a all over, okay, let me see, you have a to the power m all to the power n. This is the same thing as saying a to the power m n, and it's also the same thing as saying interchangeably a to the power n all to the power n. So let's apply that here. You have now 3 to the power 2 all to the power x all to the power 2 minus 3 all over 2 all to the power x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now if you look at this, you now say let p be equal to 3 all over 2 all to the power x. Now we're going to substitute p equal to this into this equation. So that means we'll have p squared, because the whole of this is p, so square minus the whole of this is p, which is p minus 1 is equal to 0. So now Let's use quadratic formula. You have a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to minus 1. So now that means p is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by what? 2a. Now we now have minus into minus 1, b is minus 1, plus or minus the square root of minus 1 squared minus 4 times 1 times minus c divided by 2 times what? 1. So we have this is equal to 1 plus or minus, this is 1 plus 4 divided by 2. That means p is equal to minus 1, okay, no, plus 1, let me see, okay, plus 1 plus or minus the square root of 5 divided by 2. So now we now know our p to be equal to 1 plus square root of 5 all over 2 or 1 minus the square root of 5 all over 2. So but this will give you a negative value, so this will not work. So this is the only one that will work, and we know we have assumed p to be 3 all over 2 all to the power x, so this will be equal to 1 plus the square root of 5 divided by 2. Now taking the log of both sides, listen, we take the log, like we use log 10 to both sides. Now you have log 3 all over 2 to the power x base 10 is equal to log 1 plus root 5 divided by 2 base 10. Now, according to the law of logarithm, when you have log b to power m base a, this is the same thing as m log b base a. So this is the same thing. So applying that rule here, we now have x log 3 all over 2 base 10, which is equal to log 1 plus root 5 divided by 2 base 10. So that means dividing all through by log 3 all over 2 base 10 base 10, this will cancel out. You now have your x to be equal to log 1 plus root 5 divided by 2 base 10 divided by log 3 all over 2 base 10. This can also be written in this form with the applying the law, change of base law. You have log, let's say log a base b is the same thing as log a base c divided by log b base c. So applying this rule, you now have this to be log 1 plus root 5 divided by 2 to base 3 all over 2. So that means our x is equal to this. Also in this form, you can also rewrite it, log a all over b base 10 is the same thing as log a base 10 minus log b base 10. So we can still write this thing in this form. Say x is equal to log 1 plus root 5 base 10 minus log 2 base 10 divided by log 3 base 10 minus log 2 base 10. Now using this rule, applying this rule both for the numerator and the denominator, so we can get it like this. like this or like this. Any of them is the answer. So that is it. Now thank you for watching to the end. Please subscribe, like, comment and share the video. Thank you.